Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'll be going through how to upload STL models without using the optical module, and this is done during the ordering process. So if you're struggling to merge the files yourself or you do not have the time to do it, all you need to do is upload it on the website. So I'll show you how you can do that now. First you would need to make sure that you've got the actual plan completed, and then when you come to order the guide you click on Request Simplon Guide, and then select the type of case you're working with. Click on Next. Next again. Just follow this as normal. You'd complete this order, and eventually you'll see Order this guide now. Click on Finish, and automatically the website will pop up in a few moments. Okay, enter your password. Once you're within the ordering platform, you will see the details. Now, if you see this error message up here, this is due to the new Data Protection app. So if you've installed Simplon Pro 18 or older earlier on before the end of last year, you would need to also install this Data Protection patch. So if you have a moment, please do run this patch here. So you click on that link, click on Run, let it scan and then download. So here we go. It doesn't take that long. It says the operation has been done successfully, and that's all it takes. Once that is installed, just maybe close this application and try and upload the case again. Close down your Simplon just so that it restarts, and then reopen Simplon for the new changes to take effect. Okay, now your order file has now got a series of numbers, and it's got the SOF extension. SOF stands for Simplon Order File. This is a duplicate of the original file, so you just need to go back to the original project here. It doesn't get lost, it's only a duplicate. So just load that project again and then begin with the ordering process one more time. You'll click on Request Simplon Guide, select the type of guide that you'd wish, click on Next. You could add remarks and mention something along the lines of STL files are added separately. Click on Next and then click on Order Guide now. Okay. Again, give it a few moments, it should eventually load up. Here we are again, so let's log in. Once you're logged in, you shouldn't really have that error message again. Here we are. So we're in the ordering platform. Just make sure that you do not use patient name anymore with this new Data Protection Act. I strongly encourage you to use some sort of other internal reference. It's something that you will recognize as well as your remaining staff that also handles the finance of the invoices. So something that can help them identify which case this belongs to, other than using the patient name itself. Just use an internal reference. So let's say DB series of numbers for an example. Mention what type of case this would be, either screw retain or cement retain, and also mention whether this is a mandibular case or a maxilla case. Now this is a maxilla case, but I had the wrong orientation in the project just to rush the case through. I do apologize for that. But this is where it comes to uploading your project. Now, CBCT files are already uploaded, and for those of you that were struggling with the optical scan or you did not have the optical scan module, you would go further down this list and you can click on upload from my computer if it's stored on your computer, or you can select scans from your Sirona Connect. So let's click on upload files upload STL files from my computer. Click on browse, and then you need to locate where those STL files are. Okay, now I've kept them in this folder over here, and the model that we always need for the production of the guide is always the plaster model without any wax up. Okay, it just needs to be the actual study costs with no adjustments, and it needs to be quite accurate with no broken cusps or missing information or drag, because that will affect the fit of the guide. Click on the file that you need to upload. Wait for it to complete. And now the STL file is uploaded with the case. So what will happen now is that we will receive those files and we will merge them at fine greater detail in production for you. So there's no need to email the STL files anymore directly to your Simplon representative. You can avoid the delay and upload them yourself. From here on, you can just continue forward as per normal to complete the case. Thank you for your time, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.